We're in the supermarket right now. Yes. So which supermarket do you guys shop?
This is this supermarket is called Checkers.
But do you shop here?
Yes, I do. Sometimes.
It's official. Smell fresh.
Yeah.
A lot of things imported.
Yes. This is the foods and all of that.
Wow. Yeah, it's very. This is Botswana. You know, Africa. Official. It's official.
This is the food here. This is $22, which is $2.
Dollars.
Each are belly full.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So just pick up some food for $2. $2. What is this?
This one is rice and beef. This is rice and chicken.
You want something?
No, we're gonna go fresh. And all of that.
Let's see how much one of these cakes are for. $4. Is it $4 for these cakes?
Yeah.
It could be $10 in the city.
Imagine.
So this is the kind of stuff I do a video about. You literally go to the store and check prices to show
This
compare.
is $3.
$3 for the whole cake?
Yeah, for the whole cake. Not half of it.
Are you?
Yeah.
No,
Like
bro.
serious.
No. Let's see how much a cupcake. Wait a minute, bro.
Cupcake with
Bro.
$1.50.
That's a dollar for the cupcake.
Yeah, $1.50.
We're paying $43 for this. Remember? This is not going to be $2. It's going to be $3.99
Each?
for the whole thing.
Okay.
But it's not going to be $1. It's not going to be $1. I can tell you that. And this is not going to be $1. Everything is $2.99, $3. Look at this. You see this right here? The yogurt is $1.29. You're talking about $3.99.
These are 6 ones.
Yeah, man. And the food is Why is it so cheap? Why is it so cheap? The aloe is $1 for this. You're gonna get hit with $3 in America.
This is aloe vera. Very nutritious.
You're gonna get $3 for that.
Oh yeah?
We're gonna get hit. Are we gonna come
For
back
the
to
same
this?
500?
You're gonna get hit.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, hard.
Okay.
So what
Let's
supermarket
check how
are
much
we
is a
gonna
whole
go?
chicken. No, there's still cheaper supermarket than this one.
Oh,
This one is just
the
like a
high
little high
profile
class
one.
supermarket.
Very high class, very clean
It's very super clean.
and nice. Love it. The
Let's
energy in
check
here is
the
great.
chicken.
And the prices are amazing. Look at this.
This is a double chicken here. That is for
5. So you're looking at about $10 for the
yeah,
States.
that's $10.
$10 for these two. That's 4. And these chicken are probably organic, right? They're not really caged chicken. Wow. They got your meat for $1.
You can get that in the States.
This is 50 cents.
Yeah.
And your sausage whole pack is $1. Yo. Yo. $1 for yo.
You can get that in the States. Let's go
Yo, bro. Now tell the Rasta, yo.
You can get that.
All right. The other deal. Okay, I see where the expense is now. More stuff like these. And start putting a little money upon them.
Yes.
But food, especially meats,
It's cheap.
the soup, regular $1 too. Okay. You know the soap.
Yeah. This is what you call fabric softener.
Fabric softener, you're not gonna get the fabric softener this bottle for $2 in the States. And where's the soap? The liquid
washing
soap.
powder.
I want to see. Do they have liquid soap?
Actually, here we use a lot of washing.
You wash the soap. And you got $3. You got $2 pack here, and the big pack here is about $2 here. You got $8 for the big pack.
Yeah, but it's still a supermarket which has cheaper.
Cheaper.
Yes, this is just up-tempo supermarket. In the middle of the day, it is still empty.
Very, very clean.
Very
Gaborone, Botswana. Feels like
Let's see the baby
it
milk.
feels nothing like America. It's just straight up one world order.
The small baby milk is less $4. It's less $4 here. This one is less $10, and this is how many? This is 900 gram. But there are still places like the wholesalers which have it very cheap.
And I'm impressed with the country. I think people who are watching our videos and stuff are going to be really appreciative that we went to the extent of actually going in on a box of toothpaste. We'll run to go Africa and check toothpaste price. No, Jamaicans, I go and I goes, that's $1 for this little toothpaste, $1, right? And then you have this one in the big pack.
And they're still cheaper.
The big pack is actually
Cheaper.
80 cents. Are you kidding? This is $4.99.
Oh yeah?
Dude. No wonder you're surviving nicely. Let me get that toothpaste. Toothbrush right now, $1. You're not gonna get a toothbrush for about
And these are good quality toothbrushes, okay?
Do they have extra soft?
Yeah, these are good quality toothbrushes. But the best I recommend is this one, which is, no, not this one. It's this one, Colgate 360.
Yeah.
This is the best. This is the one I use. But they are actually toothbrushes for, look, 70 cents.
70 cents.
Yeah.
70 cents. I've never seen a toothbrush for 70 cents in my life.
And they are still cheaper, like I said.
This is a soft. Wow. And we're gonna go to the cheap supermarket and check out some more stuff, but I gotta tell you, bro. When I look at the map, and I first of all, I love this kind of ketchup here.
This
I
is,
mean,
we call it
French
tomato paste.
Yeah, man. But the way
But
we don't say it nice.
There's a ketchup here also.
But
this is
local.
tomato paste, and then there is
The
ketchup.
ketchup.
Yeah, ketchup should be.
Yeah.
I have ketchup at home. It's here.
Oh,
Ketchup
Heinz.
is
Yeah,
here.
definitely.
Yes, this is ketchup.
Oh wait, this is $2.40.
Yeah, this is ketchup.
Oh Lord.
So
It's $2.40.
yes, of course.
Oh.
But this one is still expensive.
But we want to see the cheap. Oh.
This one is still
You
expensive,
see,
bro.
see now, body wash, bro. Sometimes I go to the store in the United States and I'm scared to buy body wash.
Yeah,
because I
of
know
the
they're gonna
price.
hit me with $7 to $8.
Okay,
I'm coming here to buy body wash.
So here you can buy 3 for that price.
Oh, something is going on.
Here you can
What is it? Is it because the other world won't catch on?
I don't know. Things are just way cheaper.
I mean, come on, people of the world. You know I'm telling the truth. Go back to zero. This is $2 for a whole bottle. We get 5 to 6 to 7 to $8 for a bottle. They're killing us.
Big time.
So they lower the price
Here's
because
your
people
pasta.
don't make that much money. And
Yeah. There's your
90 cents for pasta.
Yep.
Man, I wish I would just take every picture of everything and do a full comparison and get out of the damn America.
Yeah.
Because then you
But
have your
like
honey.
I said,
We're
still
going to load
expensive.
up. We're going to have
Yeah. You can
Look
eat as
at
much
this.
as you want.
I could live here for 500 US a month. Pay
On
my rent
groceries?
for one
yes,
room,
Yes, of course.
buy gas,
Yes. Electricity.
electricity,
Yeah,
and
groceries.
food for a whole family for $500 a month.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Q. So this is why we say this is one of the best countries in the world.
Very best, yes. Advisable. As you can see. Numbers don't lie.
And we're gonna go to
Yeah.
a supermarket that's cheaper.
Which is cheaper, yeah. Comparison, yes. Of course. Look, you have your this is for your dessert. It's very cheap.
Oh,
But
yeah.
the wholesalers have it far cheaper than this. This one is a bit expensive. I'll say it's expensive.
Q, are you gonna be doing videos for us to keep exploring the
Yes,
best?
of course.
Please
I will.
add
I
to
will.
our channel and let's
Yes, of
show the
course.
world.
Of course, I'll do that. Let's check the rice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, myself, I don't actually eat this one. I eat a basmati rice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's $5. That's a good price.
This is 5 kg.
5 kg. Okay.
Don't get it wrong. And there is still cheaper ones, which is you have this one, different brand. This is
Oh, yeah,
Portugal.
$1.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then this is 10 kg. Okay.
Uh-huh.
10 kg.
7. Wow.
Yeah.
So you just set your 7. So with $100, you could budget pretty good.
Like I told you that since yesterday. Yes.
$100.
Dollars. Yes. You can stock your fridge nicely with the capacity. Everything, and you eat 3 a day. Strong meals. Full your belly.
Go running.
Yeah.
Make
That
sure
is-
your wife is happy.
Yes,
Go to work.
yes,
And the honey, you have raw honey too. Is yeah, man. They're living the life, man. The peanut butter is $2.
yes.
Them living them life, man. And the supermarket is nicely laid out,
Of course.
and people are peaceful. And the country is 95% ran by blacks. So this is the black elite country.
Yes. If you like your juice, if how much is a chocolate in the state?
Chocolate,
This is hot berry.
This is $1. And these are $1.80. They're like $4 and $3.99. They're not $2 chocolates, is what I'm saying to you. But at some point, I need to go to the supermarket and buy a lot of this stuff and just eat it while I'm here. So I know that we're gonna have that chance.
Yeah, you capitalize.
Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of. Now that I know it's so cheap, we're gonna have a shitload of things. Get some guava juice.
Yeah,
Them have guava and everything, right?
Yeah, you capitalize. It's called
Wow,
capitalizing.
this is
But I'm gonna still take you to a supermarket where you will find the prices are much
cheap
Here we are just here because it's in a mall.
because it's
It's in a mall.
yeah. Wow. And another thing is, I'm a freshly squeezed kind of guy. You know, got my Vitamix blender, and I'm looking at $2 here for a bag of orange. It's not bad
But it's expensive here.
for the fruits, and it's expensive here. This is what you consider expensive. And banana is something that's like a must for me every day. So we're in Botswana right now, and I'm totally impressed. And the banana is $1.06. Very impressed.
Per kg.
Now we're gonna bring some flowers for the wife. We're talking about $6, right?
Fresh.
Fresh flowers. How much is that? That's
price is-
$7.
Yeah. This is fresh flowers.
Yeah. We'll come back another time, and you'll take a more. Wow.
That's good.
Wow. I gotta tell you, been to Cape Town.
Yeah.
I've been to Johannesburg,
Yeah.
and been to West Palm Beach,
Yeah.
Jamaica, Toronto,
West Palm Beach in Florida.
in Florida. Some nice places in the world. I haven't traveled, just stop off in Amsterdam for a second, but I can assure you,
Nothing compares.
when you put it all together, food, energy, black ownership, business,
Yeah.
progress,
Yeah.
crime,
Yeah.
as far as air quality,
Yeah.
quality of life,
Yeah.
easy paced,
Easy, very relaxed.
I could say, and not so much westernized.
Yes, of
And
underground parking and more shops.
so it's good for investors to really start
Yeah.
come through.
Yeah.
So my people are going to really love the progress. They're going to love this. They're going to be very thankful for what you've done for them.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. We really appreciate it. So now I noticed the women are lost mostly, but they're not Rastas.
No.
Why? This is a natural African thing.
It's just these ones they just do it for decoration style purpose. Not like to really my life. They are not really following the culture of the Rastafari. They just did it because
This is the bar we're going.
you can go in, but I want carry for nice. Yeah, I want carry a place that's a little bit cheaper and more cheeks and all of that.
Okay.
I want to bring you to see the mall. Then I want to go downtown there, take you to a place. You go upstairs, you can see more cakes. It's called seeing more cakes. You see cakes all around here, the crowd. And again, the alcohol is a bit cheaper there because it's about, even though I don't drink there, I never drank there, but I think if I'm not mistaken, it must be like about $2 there. Yeah, there. And there is a bit expensive for me. You understand? Yeah. To me, they're a little bit expensive. In America, how much is a beer?
Sometimes 5, 6.
Oh, stone back.
You know. Yeah, you never go out to drinking.
But that $2, right?
You don't go to the bar and spend $3.
$2 is more expensive because there's like a up-tempo place where they are. If you buy from the wholesalers, it's coming to like 90 cents. You understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming to like 90 cents. Then you have to car over there. Then I take you where you can chill, watch out this thing.
Whoa, that's not an electric fire.
Yeah, that's what the electric fire.
Yo, Virgin, I tell you, you really have to go places, forget it. You really, Q, taking you guys on the journey. You have to go, you have to see. If you look at the map of Botswana, you see in Africa, and you will never know it's one world order. Everything is the same everywhere, nothing different. Don't take Africa for granted. You know what I say? When I deal with the thing, the president talk about Africa a shithole. So basically, Q just told me that you could pay 50 cents for lunch.
Yes.
The $2 we saw for those lunch was expensive.
Yeah.
So people spend 50 cents for lunch.
Yesterday my lunch costed me, speaking from experience, yesterday my lunch costed me 90 cents. 90 cents. That was my lunch. I ate fried eggs, 2 fried eggs, and two what can I call it? Here they call it papatas, but it's called fried baked, and with a drink. And that was 90 cents.
That's $1 for your lunch.
Yeah, it didn't reach $1. I still had change. It wasn't $1. It was still
So
change.
when I pick up a $20 US for lunch, I'm really...
What?
When I'm in South Africa,
That's expensive, brother.
it was cheap in South Africa for food to serve, but South Africa is a little expensive. So you're telling me for $20 I could eat for 20 days?
Yeah, basically. Only lunch though. But if you are buying solid foods to put in the fridge, that can be like for a week.
For a week?
Yeah.
$20?
Yes, $20, which is 20.
Are you kidding me?
I'm serious. Doesn't do that.
In Jamaica we pay $7 to $5 for a coconut.
What the hell? What is inside that coconut? What is in that coconut?
Do they sell real coconuts here? No.
The coconut itself? No, they don't.
How much for a bottle of coconut water here?
Coconut water, you can get it for like $2.
In Jamaica, for one, even in America, it's like $4 for a bottle of coconut water.
Yeah,
The one that's good.
$2, and that will be 1 liter. Okay, 1 liter. I don't know. It's a pint. Is it a pint or what? I don't know. I don't know
I don't know the measurements.
the measurement properly.
So we're saying to all West Indians, go to Botswana, check it out.
Yeah.
Link up with Bridget Q, and then we Q busy. He must sell you a car. Come here and buy a car. Buy a car for $3,000.
Yeah.
And then move ourselves around.
Represent. Yeah, true that.
And rent a place for 6 months and get to know the place.
Yes, of course.
You know?
Rent is very cheap.
I'm learning here from Botswana. If I told someone I'm moving to Africa to live, they say, how are you going to make it?
Very simple.
They're going to say, how are you going to make it? How are you going
Very
to
simple.
make it? What business are you going to do?
A lot of.
Well, are there good medical
Yes,
system?
very. Yeah.
Is your health insurance free, or
I don't have that. I don't need that.
you don't have health insurance?
I don't have health
The
insurance.
doctors, you just go for free?
Yeah, I never got sick here.
So wait a
thanks to
minute,
the
is the doc
Almighty.
hospital free?
They have public hospitals, which is very free. Extremely free. This is Tutu. Let's get this. Hi, Taulo. This is like a
Squash. Okay.
This is
Sweet potato. And them, these are the thing them soaking. Oh, them are beans. How you doing? Oh, them are bugs.
these are
Caterpillars.
yes.
How you doing, ma'am? basically. Yeah.
Well, you are not if you don't for drink, right?
No, man, I can eat some food, man.
Do I need some food?
Yeah.
But you better eat food from the road food nights and I will
The road food?
Yeah, you get that. Just get something for drinking.
All right.
Bring a Casalite for I said what?
Right now, the big boss, right there, so. Right,
Yeah.
I drink now in a Botswana. The big boss or the big dumb, that's salesman.
Yeah.
Right
But
now.
how much you want to give me?
You know, gather on the Botswana and eat the thing. I live the life.
Okay, let me
spice
find out.
life.
Give me 2 minutes, then I will call you back and I will tell you if it's available or not. Alright, thanks.
Having to beer and thing. See?
Yeah.
Happens to we can do something like that. Leave it like that for a while. Okay, world.
No, here you can flame it. There's no problem.
Okay, world. Here you have a full meal
Of chicken licking.
of chicken licking. You get 2 pieces of chicken and you have a
2
sandwich.
pieces of chicken.
I want to actually buy this. I want to see it.
And a small
I don't want to eat it and taste it. So this is Botswana. We rank in Botswana as one of the best countries in the world for a lot of reasons, and that's why we're doing this documentary. Now, when you take the 0 off, that's about American dollars. You go back 1 0.
$2.
We're looking at $2 for a meal. In my life of 44 years, I've never seen $2 per meal. So what I'm going to do with you is I'm going to buy this meal.
Yeah.
I'm going to eat this meal in the car and see if it's worth the $2. Nowhere on the planet, not Jamaica,
Not the States.
not the States, I could buy a meal for $2. And then we're going to get a drink. Let's go check this out, people.
So this is 50.
Okay, good. I'm not seeing the menu here. Let's just give her a $2.
Yeah.
So for $6, for
Six, let's say less $7.
okay, we're not making it till come.
No. And this is full meal for 2.
Okay, so we just, how much we paid for 2 of us?
60.
Did we get 2 drinks?
Yes, of course.
How much did we pay?
63. That is $6.03.
So I paid $6.03 for 2 meals for both of
Yeah,
us.
of course. Let's just say $6.
$6. We're gonna inspect this meal and see.
If it's worth it.
So we spend $6
Yes. And
for meals for both of us
yes.
with drinks.
With drinks.
How many pieces of chicken? It's like 2 pieces of
2
chicken
pieces.
with like the meat of the chicken and the bun, right?
Yeah.
Let me see how and fries.
And fried.
We're gonna see how this tastes.
Is it ours?
It could be ours.
Sorry?
Is that?
Where's that receipt?
This is the receipt.
This one?
The receipt is $21.48. That would be ours. Do you have a tray? Can I get a tray, please? So no. This is amazing. Yeah, lovely. Thank you so much. All right, let's go investigate this. So then, all right, let's investigate this.
Let's see if it's worth it.
Let's do some investigation here. This is the investigation
This is
crew.
yours?
Okay,
Not bad.
not bad, not bad. Something to
On the go.
whet your appetite.
Yeah, on the go. It's called on the go.
On the go. Oh, look at that. Nice little chicken.
This is mine.
Nice little chicken there.
We have some salt.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's for both of us. So if we're college students, this wouldn't be bad
Yes,
for...
of course. Yes, of course. This
Fry?
is a $2 meal.
Okay. $2 bill is not bad.
Not bad at all. Tasty.
I've never eat chicken for $2 before.
Plus fries,
Never.
plus a burger.
Never.
This is a mini McDonald's.
You see, Q, you live in a different world.
Of course.
Let me eat my mini burger.
This here is your mini version of McDonald's.
This is my.
Mini Mac.
This would be my my 99 cents cheeseburger. And the reason why I bought
99
this,
cents for a cheeseburger.
now we get a burger, chicken, some fries, and for
Okay.
$3.
Yeah, of course, yes. Yes. Correct. Basically, yes. Yours is $3, mine is $3.
5 T5s is $15.
And that's a full meal. Excuse me?
3 fives, $15 for the week. So for 15 US, I could get lunch for the week. In America, we spend
End of story.
in America we spend $15 a day.
How much?
A day.
$15.
Or 20.
We're by here, vice versa. Got $20 for a week.
The juice in America, there's hardly any of them less than $2.
Okay, how is this food?
It's good.
Rate it.
It's good. I mean, it's just like fast food. It tastes good. It's something I could eat for this price, especially for poor people
On the go.
who can't.
No, but there's a lot of people in here, bankers. The girls over there, they are bankers. Yeah.
So, Q, this Botswana for you, you'll never leave.
Not in a hurry. Not for now. Unless if maybe things changes. But now as we speak, to answer your question, no.
You're a successful car salesman. Would you consider yourself a success?
I can say I'm getting there. I'm getting there. There are successful people. I'm getting there.
But you love your life.
It's better.
You're planning to have another child?
Of course, in the near future. Yeah. My boy needs a brother or a sister. Who knows?
No.
So how is it?
It's good. It was
Recommend
fast.
it for anybody?
Oh, definitely. It was good. It was fast to eat. You don't need more than this, really,
Yeah, of course.
because you don't want to gain too much weight.
Start sleeping, get lazy.
And then you get a Coke if you're into Coke.
No, soft drink. You can just say soft drink.
In Jamaica, don't try this. $8 minimum.
For two?
For one.
For one?
No, in Jamaica, you're not going to put no $5 for no soda and no meal. You can, you can get a chicken patty for about $2, and the soda is going to run you $2. So you're going to hit $4.
What?
Yeah, and it's just one chicken patty.
Oh yeah?
And the McDonald's, you know, it's expensive, man. If you don't have $10, you can't eat well. But these people with their salary and everything that they're making 100. People here are making $100 a month.
Minimum.
A month. That means they have.
But they are paying rent off of that.
They're
and
paying
so-
rent.
It might seem funny for you, but that's the reality.
How do you pay rent? And this
So
is
rent a little room is about $50.
$50 for a little square. A month. You could live on this planet for 50 US a month. So if I come from the US with $10,000, I could live for 3 years. Everything
$50.
paid off.
But you would be a bit cramped for you to live a bit comfortable.
It's cheap to live here. So you could just leave America. If you're a writer, take 10,000 with you, save up, come to here, say you're staying for a couple of months, and then you get to write your book for 6 months.
Correct.
And cost of living is very low. So for artists, this is probably only, and you could even stay in the ghetto for free, because the ghetto is not violent, and artists likes places that are.
Yes, of course.
The ghetto, they probably charge you $20 a month.
Yeah, most likely.
Or 10.
No, not 10. Don't be ridiculous. At least 20.
20 US dollars a month for somewhere to sleep. A month, not a day.
A month, a whole month.
A month.
30 days.
Why is this the greatest place in the world for artists, for musicians? You want to develop your music? This is the best place. Because you have your laptop, you don't have to worry about food, expenses, right?
Of course.
So for artists, this would be...
Transportation is cheap.
If you had to take public transportation.
Public transportation is 4 cents.
4 cents?
No, let me rephrase that. Public transportation is 40 cents.
40 cents.
Which is four puller. Can you believe it? How much is it in New York?
To go how many miles?
No, that depends on the destination.
So it's
It doesn't
unlimited.
matter. Yeah. If we're supposed to leave here and go home, 4 cents. 40 cents on me.
And the houses are 80,000 for our amazing house.
Of course.
3 bedrooms.
In a good residential area.
These are the kind of places that were infant in the city, because things are going to change.
Of course.
But people who are wise would invest now.
Of course, for the future.
Yeah, because Africa is going to change anyway. So why did I come to Africa? Something was pulling me. Pulla. Something was pulling me. It must have been the pulla.
The puller power. It's
Yes.
called puller power.
Pulla power.
Puller power. Yeah, puller power.
It rains. Wow. So the people here are not worried because even though they're not making high salary, they can still, the government or the food system make it so that.
They subsidize a lot of things here.
And I noticed that in Jamaica, right, for example, they make it so hard to get a piece of sandwich, and the people want the sandwich. They want this thing, and because they want to do crime, because they want to get a piece of chicken.
Yeah, to
they
eat.
want. But
To put in your belly, yeah.
here they don't make it too hard for them.
And here you haven't seen a beggar and fish, have you? Did you see a beggar?
No.
You walk the main mall.
If
you
we were
haven't
in Jamaica or Cape Town, a beggar would be coming here in front of us.
seen- You haven't seen a beggar.
No, I
And you
haven't
will
seen-
never see one.
Well,
That one I can guarantee you. You will never ever see. We are in the main mall. You have never seen a beggar.
no.
That's how good it is. Here it's very easy to get 1,000 puller than any place else in the, I think, in the world. Because no one will give you $100 in the States. Is it easy to pick up $200 in the States?
No.
Or $50 in the States?
Why is it easy here?
I can say one, trust, availability. Because there are a few people who are well off, you know. Again, it's easy for them to give you $1,000, $100, $200.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yes. Especially if you are known like me, it's very easy. I can pick up $1,000 in the space of an hour. As in borrowing, I can borrow $200 from this one, $100 from this one, $100 without signing no agreement or anything. Just knowing the face Q is there, okay? Q is into car business. Even $10,000 I can pick up on just trust. When I sell, I can repay. I've done it before, so availability of cash is easy. Without writing any agreement, I just call, hey bro, can you borrow me $200? Okay, where are you? You come pick up your money. That's it.
So trust is still strong here, which is something that's lacking in the States.
don't have to be family. Just trust them.
So this is Botswana, another point on the journey. We're just eating. We saw the
This
menu.
is Gaborone Main Mall.
Gaborone
Main Mall.
Gaborone. I call it
Yes,
Gaborone.
that is how it's pronounced.
Gaborone Main Mall.
Correct.
And we're just sitting down, and we saw the menu, and I said, you know what?
Which is $3 per person.
We paid $6 US for both of us to eat.
Ridiculous, eh?
And I've never done that before in my life. And the ambiance is not that bad. It's rich African culture.
Okay, we'll not get a full belly, but at least.
And
the
no,
ones
no,
that
you won't
satisfy
starve.
you.
You know, at least
Yeah.
you could at least go back to work and then go home for dinner.
Of course.
And you
yes.
probably won't even get fat either.
True that.
So let's get out of here. But I think scale of 1 to 10 for $6, I'll give it a strong 9.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Your country
deserves.
is getting up in ranks as one of the best countries in the world. Thank you, Q. Thanks so much. Look at these slippers. Wow.
This is made from lettuce?
Interesting. This is all from the cow.
Yes.
So they make a lot of stuff from the cows.
Yeah.
Do me long ma. Do me long ma.
Dumela.
Dumelama. Okay. Okay. Eh, Dumelara. Dumela.
What's?
Luturile.
Fine. Say I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Okay.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm selling this one.
Are you good? I'm
I'm
asking you
good.
about you first.
Eh,
I'm not asking
I'm
you about
good,
that.
I'm good.
I'm checking on you.
Okay.
I come all the way from Jamaica to check on you.
Okay.
Are you doing
I'm
good?
Good. Huh?
He's asking if you are fine.
Hey, I'm fine.
Good.
Yeah.
Wow, I like your slippers.
What size?
Did you make them?
Yes, I make them.
You made all of this.
Yes, all of them. What size? 2, 3, 4.
You're here all the time, right?
Every day.
Wow, look at this. You have different size. How much is this one?
190.
How much?
190.
So that's $19?
90.
Okay. That's good. It's good leather. So you're here every day.
Every
I'm
day.
gonna find out her size. I like this one.
Hey, what size? It's a trouser.
This is like traditional dance.
Yeah.
This is shorts.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
leather
shorts.
shorts for traditional dance.
Oh, whoa!
This is a waistcoat.
What is this?
Waistcoat.
How much is this?
650.
$6.50.
Yeah.
So that would be
65.
65 US.
Yeah, 65.
Cause this is real. This is the real thing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Waist.
This is unique.
Yes.
From the cow.
No, from the goat.
This from the goat?
Yes.
This is wicked, my lord.
This is a goat skin. Is it?
If I wear that anywhere, before I leave for the States, you're gonna have to give it to me for 400. When I come back, I'm bringing you 400 cash.
Hey,
Good?
sharp.
Make sense?
It's fine.
Good?
Good.
Shake on it. I hope it can fit me. And then in Jamaica we do the thumb.
This is one of the indigenous people of Botswana.
The
It's called
Bushmen, because these are the original people.
Yeah, the original.
Do you know the history behind this?
This is city and central police station. No guns, no nothing. And this is one of the first police stations in the country.
Yeah. So a house.
One of the first. This one is it's one of the first hotels.
First hotel.
First president hotel.
Uh-huh.
Yes, it's called President.
Uh-huh.